The annual general meeting of the Rongkhang Cooperative Lamp Society was held on Friday at Ghelani Society campus. The meeting was presided over by Rongkhang LAMPS chairman Mongol Bey. The meeting was attended as chief guest by Dongkamukam Municipal Board Chairman Telisram Rongkhang, and he was accompanied by Vice Chairman Rensing Timung, Ward Commissioner Jitu Terang, among others. Rongkhang LAMPS Secretary Dilip Teron, Vice Chairman Babu Rongphar, all members and dealers under the Rongkhang Cooperative Lamps Society were also present. While speaking at the meeting, DMB Chairman Telisram Rongkhang said that Rongkhang Cooperative Lamp Society occupies an important place in terms of its name, as MP Horan Singh Bey is from the Rongkhang constituency. Bithung Rengthama is its immediate neighbor constituency, which is the home constituency of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Rongkhang. He urged upon the LAMPS members for full commitment towards delivering their service to the local people through the society. LAMPS Chairman Mongol Bey, while speaking at the meeting, highlighted various challenges faced by the society in delivery of service. He also stated that Rongkhang Cooperative Lamp Society is doing great work despite various challenges, and the beneficiaries are getting rice as per the guidelines. Observers who were also present at the meeting also provided their inputs and advices to the members of the society for their smooth functioning. The observers also urged upon the society to continue delivering their services as per the guidelines, stating that when they are followed sincerely, it would be fulfilling welfare goals of the government. Later in the meeting, LAMPS Secretary Dilip Teron provided its report of the past year, including receipts and distribution, among others.
Annual meeting mate ni kan segamai ini nil tu pada patu konigla sikame la bangso kido along nil tu manikan bangason abang kutina sia rodar aphan kido pale ya edet la bangke nal kum kado babis same sini pirthia dang kacethan klub na bangso corona bu kili tu malong sikame kaciri nanji mate kapiri mimi la bangso to ko ajo nil tu phan loy notar hin pen vaksin cipitang bangku bangpi mate lai prima cipitang bangku bangpi atum hansi nang pahang toilo lapen bang pokep abangku bangpi hansi nilitum phan nang pahang longshot lasi nilitum la bangso aron mate coronavirus mate la so protocol COVID-19 protocol aron maninang ko gajoksi nilitum sitame pining labangso amayalo bakokep abang kubang kipansi anpodicholo.
Wiki based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live.